We're at someone's house, we don't know where.
Chicken burger.
Hello, puppies. Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today, this is just a random video of my 18th birthday, actually, but we didn't film that much, and we didn't really do that much. But it's a different type of video, like, there's just a bunch of clips, like, piled in together. But anyway, enjoy the video. It's a banger. How come I got bin duties? Connolly just died doing a wheelie. Go, try again. Yo. Yo. Nicole's rocking the basketball. ET in this bitch. Guys, look.
What's going on?
Not much, Harrison.
Is the back wheel still flat now? Or is it alright?
What's going on, guys? Heavy. Heavy. Say like and subscribe.
Fucking snort.
What? Oh.
Mine's 14.
The quality. Oh no. No, it's alright. Hey, rollerblade girl, catch. Oh. I nearly took the light out. Oh. Yeah, I'm fine. Guys, I fucking hit the deck. What are we going to do? Boys are coming as well.
I'll tell you, Mum. When you buy me alcohol,
What? How much is it?
I'll give you money. With that X heavy, you look old enough.
I'm not an ex-head.
It's an X heavy. I don't want them to follow us. Right now. Quick, get back, Justin. Time.
His name is Jackson.
No, it's Justin.
I swear it's
Let's
Jackson.
watch the video.
Alright, we reviewed the footage. It was Justin.
Yeah. I gotta run till I'm just in time.
Are your dogs friendly? Hello, puppies. Whoa, whoa. No. Not a worry. Are your dogs friendly? Yeah. Nearly ate me alive. Walter.
Not cheap. Chicken burger.
Operation Scarecrow.
What do you mean? Teletubbies. Yeah, I think it was one of these two. Running out with a machete chasing someone.
Actual.
I swear on my life. I think she's an old prostitute. Oh shit, you know what? She's always in a dressing gown with nothing underneath. And there's always like cars like this. And people just walk in and
You're
out.
just yelling it, bro.
Huh?
You're just yelling
I
it.
wanna Which one of you took a shit in my toilet? When I was what he is? Disgusting! A zinger box.
A dinner box?
A zinger box.
Yeah, was it upsize or regular?
That was upsize.
And what was the drink in that one?
Just a Pepsi, please.
Yep.
A frozen Pepsi, please.
Frozen Pepsi?
Yeah.
Was that all for tonight?
Yeah.
I'll go to drive through.
Did you have any special chilies right now? Should we show these?
No.
Oh, well.
I've got 30 cents. Thank you.
We're out of here. So, Harry told us to film as we're walking in the door. I don't know what it's going to be, but I'm scared. Well, there's flashing lights. So that's a start.
I've been waiting for 10 minutes.
That was so good. All right, guys, we're starting the video off with this beautiful sandwich that Harry and Alicia have made us. So big ups to them. Callum's got one as well.
Oh, hey.
The painter's looking at you. Can I have a balloon? Could I have a balloon? Could I have a balloon?
And maybe it goes on and on.
Damn, you's a sexy bitch. You's a sexy bitch. Damn, you a sexy bitch. You, damn, girl. He was angry.
Was he?
What? Wind the window down. She just looked at me. They're staring at me. They worried I'm gonna kill them. What the fuck? Barclay Skate Park. Kyle, explain to the YouTube video what is happening.
I'm about to shit on you in cold water.
Oh, well, that's not what's happening. Kyle has to go to his brother's Deb, and then we're going to a party, and then I think we're going clubbing. So let's go. Guys, it's 10 o'clock, and Kyle's not even back yet, and Cal's looking pretty fat. We got a bag of essentials. Alright, so me and Kyle jumped out of a car. I don't know what's going on, but we ended it up at, we're lost at we're at someone's house, we don't know where. Bro, what has just happened?
Well,
This party literally just ended as we got here. They're all going out clubbing.
we got all this. We offer the Uber driver a drink.
And it's cold.
And it's really cold. Hold this.
Are you pissing?
Yes.
Kyle's 6 weeks into that way, he's running. Hurry up! Guys, it's f***ing wet. I'm getting wetted on. Run! Do you want a UDL?
UEL?
Yeah. A drink.
On the driving?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's only one. Under 0.5. Yeah?
No, mate.
Alright, no worries.
I went to go see my friend and I got dropped off and then she got in the car that I got out of and left. So
And we went into a random party that we don't even know any of them. So that's why, yeah, we called up you, mate, because we knew you were a good bloke.
You saved the night.
Yeah. You're bitching it, aren't you?
Well, it killed the vibe. We were stuck in a fucking house with complete randoms with no music watching Star Trek.
Let's go.
What? Oh. What were the other two?
Club and fun.
Make a club.
Bro, just come. Fletch wants to. He's not 18 yet.
What's on your lock screen right now?
An onion. Kyle's feeling pregnant, so he don't want to go.
Look at two.
This is what the night's come to. I'm 18 in 10 minutes and we're playing Call of Duty.
So was I when I turned 18.
Yeah, true.
It was Rainbow.
Alright, so me and Callan are off. We're f***ing leaving. What's Harry doing? He's having a tug. Anyway, Kyle's sitting in the couch room, but we won't talk about it. Anyway, we're leaving Ballarat. You'll see us next time. Alright, see yous. All these people don't realise that they're in the presence of a certified forklift driver. Cal's playing Pokemon Og. You stayed to the end, so you did enjoy the video. There might be more videos like this down the future, so let me know if you like it in the comments. The next video will be at Hall's Gap. Actually, it's really funny, so give it a watch. And it's nearly the end of the year. I've got big plans for next year, so get keen for a video in 2 weeks. But anyway, make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Come close now, pal. I need it. Oh.